Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Snacks are very important in our everyday lives as well as during parties. So this snack recipe that I'll be sharing with you guys is very unique, different and very tasty. The name of the recipe is Baked Garlic Parmesan Chicken Wings. But before starting with the recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes. So let's get started. The ingredients required for this recipe are 500 grams of chicken wings, salt and pepper to taste, half tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon dried parsley, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of chili flakes or chili powder, and half teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley that has been chopped, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. First of all, into the wings we'll add the spices. And half the quantity of olive oil. We'll give it a quick mix. Make sure the wings are nicely coated with the seasoning. They have been mixed properly and we'll let them marinate for half an hour. The chicken wings have been marinating for half an hour and it's time to bake them. So for that, I've lined a baking tray with aluminium foil and I'll spray some oil on it so that the wings do not stick. And on this tray, we'll place the wings. We'll spray them with oil again. And now we'll bake the chicken wings in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes and we'll change the side after 15 minutes. So our chicken wings are baking in the oven. In the meantime, we'll prep for other ingredients that we'll be adding in between. So in the bowl, we'll add grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. Now we'll add the remaining olive oil and our minced garlic. Just give it a quick mix. And keep it aside for later use. So after 15 minutes, we'll change the sides of the wings. And now we'll bake them again for another 15 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we'll take out the chicken wings from the oven. They have been baked perfectly. Look at the beautiful color. And now we'll add the chicken wings into the cheese mixture that we created. Add these to the bowl. Now we'll give them a quick toss. So now the wings have been mixed properly and the cheese and parsley has coated the wings very nicely. It's time to bake them for a final 10 minutes. So the chicken wings are ready to go in the oven for 10 minutes. So our super amazing and delightful chicken wings are ready to eat. The aroma is absolutely wonderful and they look very gorgeous. Please try this recipe at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.